Hi friends, today we're going to look at two poems in order to compare them. Look at how they are the same. So I have Barefoot Benny and Musical Mona, and the first thing I'm noticing is that both start with an alliteration. So the first thing we're going to look at is Barefoot Benny. Barefoot Benny had a blast, bouncing balls back to back. Bouncing balls bounded high, bouncing balls up to the sky. Back and forth, blue and black, balls began to build a stack. So the first thing I'm going to look at is how many lines this poem has. And I like to underline as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Barefoot Benny has 6 lines. Now I'm going to look at stanzas. And now if we practiced in class, I like to put a box around my stanzas. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Barefoot Benny has 3 stanzas. Now comes the tricky part. I'm going to look at the rhyming pattern. This is where we write letters of the alphabet at the end of each line to match up our rhyming words. So I always start with the letter A, with blast. Then I need to look at, does back rhyme? Blast back. No, so I'm going to give it a different letter of the alphabet. Okay. Now let's go to high. High does not rhyme with blast or back, so I'm going to go to the next letter, C. Oh, but high does rhyme with sky, so I need to make sure they both have the same letter, C. Okay, now I have black. Oh, well, black rhymes with back from the first stanza, so I'm going to make it match with the letter B. And stack also rhymes with those 2 words, so I'm going to give that the letter B too. So the rhyming pattern is A, B, C, C, B, B. A, B, C, C, B, B. Okay. So let's look at Musical Mona. Mona mooed at the moon, make me find the perfect tune. Mona's mom made some milk, said it made her voice like silk. Mona wanted to make it melt, made the music one to belt. Okay, so let's count the lines. Just like I did, I like to underline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we move to the stanzas. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I'm seeing some similarities already. Okay, so Musical Mona has 6 lines, and it has 3 stanzas. Okay, now let me look at the rhyming pattern. All right, moon, so I always start with the letter A. Tune, ooh, so that rhymes, so that's getting an A as well. Now I have milk, silk. Milk does not rhyme with moon or tune, so I'm going to give it a B, but it does rhyme with silk, so both of those need a B. And in the final stanza, melt, belt. Those don't rhyme with any of my words so far, so I'm going to give it the next letter of the alphabet, C. Melt and belt rhyme, so they're going to rhyme. Ooh, this has a different rhyme scheme. This rhyming pattern is A, B, B, C, C. All right, so now I'm going to look at the similarities. One of the similarities I'm noticing is that they both have 6 lines. I'm going to put that up by my similarities up at the top. Next, I'm noticing that they both have 3 stanzas. Okay, now I'm noticing also, even though it's not one of our elements we're focusing on, lines and stanzas, I also noticed that they both have alliteration titles. Once again, that's not one of the elements that we're focusing on today. However, we have been practicing alliteration. So now I'm going to look at differences. I think there's one big difference here, and that is the rhyming patterns are different. One was A, B, C, C, B, B, and one was A, B, B, C, C. So, friends, today you're going to look at two different poems. You're going to first identify lines, stanzas, and rhyming pattern. And then, just like me, you're going to look for at least one thing that's the same. Make sure that you focus